I have taken one hit of marijuana on Friday and the following Tuesday. I had a urine analysis drug test. Is it possible for me to show positive result, or will I be okay and show negative results?
Thank you for your question. If this was a single use, not daily use, then it is very likely that you would in fact have a negative test. With isolated use, the detection period is generally less than 3 to 4 days.
I have taken a home test on the following Friday as well, and the results was negative, but after waiting 2 days, after my urine analysis test though. Is that a good sign as well?
The test done several days later really would not be important. The fact that your test was done 4 days after a single use would suggest that your test would be negative.
Is the home drug test kit the same as the drug test kit used by the military, or the military drug test goes into more detail?
It depends on the particular home test. Most of the home tests have similar sensitivity to the military test. The military does do additional confirmation tests to eliminate the issue of false positives.
How much is 50 nanograms as compared to smoking marijuana? How many times does it have to be smoked to reach 50 nanograms or more? The cutoff is 50 nanograms or less to not get a positive result.
A single use would be expected to give a positive at 50 nanograms/ml. The issue is the length of time that the test would be positive. For a single use, the test would typically be negative beyond 3 days.
I was drinking a lot of fluids and using the restroom Sunday and Monday, days before my drug test. Will that help with getting the THC out of my urine? After one small hit of marijuana on Friday night before my drug test on the following Tuesday morning.
Actually, there is absolutely no benefit from drinking large amounts of water/fluids in regards the drug faster. Based on the time since last use, and the small amount use, I would expect a negative test.
How long does it take to get results back from the military drug test? Will it make a difference if I take the urine analysis test in the morning on that Tuesday? After the past Friday of taking one hit of marijuana? It was just one small hit of marijuana on Friday night.
I don't know how long it takes to get the results of a military drug test. There are logistical delays since the tests are sent to a centralized drug testing lab, and administrative delays, as is typical of any large organization. With one small hit, I would expect a negative test, but there honestly is no way to know with 100% certainty at this point. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.